Welcome back to the yard, Dad. We are going to be getting some nitrogen in this backyard, and we're going to be getting some nitrogen blitz going back here. Check it out. It's looking good. Since that last cut, everything's looking really nice. So I think, and the sides are actually still trimmed pretty good. I think I'm just going to mow today. And yeah, I'm just going to mow today because I'm going out of town. Then we'll do some other stuff, start our projects back here. So I think that's what I'll do, is I'm going to mow and then maybe edge around the concrete area over here. Do a little edging around this. And then we'll get our nitrogen down. And I'm going to be using ammonium sulfate, and I'll of course give you my formula as always. And that way you can kind of determine what you need to use for your yard. And I'm going to be spreading it today. I'm not spraying. We're going to be getting some rain, so I'm going to let the rain do its job. And we actually got some rain the other day too. And the side of the yard's not as wet anymore since we've aerated with that new manual aerator. Looking pretty good. But yeah, let's clean this up. I'll get it mowed up at least, and then edge it. And then I'll go over everything with getting the nitrogen down on this grass. Kind of starting a little nitrogen blitz back here a little later. Looking good. And then check this out. Look at that. See that? They just cut domination. Straight domination. You saw that, right? I'm pretty sure you just saw it. What I was just let's take a look at it one more time. One more time. Just gotta do that. Oh yeah. And check out the front over here. Looks like we finally got some new neighbors too. My goodness, that's a lot of grass. Looking good up here. And then when I get back next week, we'll of course be doing some stuff up here as well. It's getting there. We still got some hot weather, but then the weather is going to drop in about 3 days. Yeah. Then we'll be, I don't even know what we'll be doing. We'll be dealing with some craziness, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start mowing here. Try not to get copyright music up in there. In my garage right now. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and mow, and then I'll see you in a second. Let's go. It's so nice out. So nice. All right, well, let's take a look real quick. I ended up trimming a little bit just in some areas, but I think it looks pretty good now. Check it out. All right. And basically what I want to do, oh, here, you can come check it out over here too. I just went both directions everywhere. See the sign down here, looking nice. Everything's looking pretty good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get that ammonium sulfate, and then, yeah, we'll get that spread back here. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it out, throw it in the spreader. But here's some facts on putting nitrogen on your lawn, and then also some facts on nitrogen Blitz, and plus the formula, of course. All right, awesome. Well, look at this mess. There's that new manual aerator. So when I get back in town, we're definitely gonna be using this. And then I think I'm gonna get some pre/post emergent down in the backyard because I'm starting to see some weeds near the, around the mulch beds. It's mainly by the mulch bed. So gotta get that, I'll put probably some dimension down. But we'll see what else we're going to do because I might be doing something about in the golf holes with some bent grass. Is it bent grass? I don't even remember anymore. Let's see. What is it? Crystal blue lynx creeping bent grass. Yeah, it is. So I was thinking about doing something with that. But this is the spreader that we're going to be using right now for the nitrogen right here. And then this is the bag of ammonium sulfate that I've got right here to 2100, of course, 21%. And yeah, I'm gonna get that loaded into the spreader right now and then get the spread. But yeah, everything's looking awesome. It's looking really good. It's nice today. The shade is different in the backyard though. So like I have like a lot more shade back there very early now. Sorry if you can't see everything, but out here in the front, it still gets sunlight all day, all morning. It comes a little later in the morning now though. Go ahead and get that stuff spread. And then of course we're going to get it watered in the morning. I'll have the sprinklers come on if I don't notice rain tonight. So, but pretty sure we're getting some rain. Probably be tomorrow, but we'll see what's up. I'll just have them on for backup. If rain's in the forecast, that thing usually does its job and it doesn't water, but sometimes it has. But I don't know. Let's go. I've been looking forward to getting the nitrogen Blitz going in the backyard. Let's go. think we got everything done. We did some trimming, some mowing, and then we got the nitrogen down on the lawn. And now we've got the nitrogen blitz going on back here. We'll keep an eye on it. Hope you learned something about nitrogen and all that. Don't be scared to put it down, spray it, granular, whatever. Doesn't matter. It'll be activated once it gets watered in, or the rain comes, whatever, as well. And then I threw a little bit of extra down here on this side and went to the front, and then I ended up just doing the whole thing anyways. But I think it looks good. I think it looks real good. Thanks for watching the Yard Dad. Let me know in the comments if you need help with your square footage, putting down nitrogen or anything like that. Thanks for all the people that have been commenting. I hope that formula I've been giving you and everything's been helpful, and I hope your lawns are looking extremely green and looking fantastic and dominating your neighborhood. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.